All right, what's up, y'all? Did you like the metal music? I hope you did, bro. All right, so yeah, it's been a while. It's almost been like 4 days, right? I last posted on this channel, but whatever. Basically, I took this only trade um the whole day today, bro. I wasn't in front of the church around this time, and I didn't even know that. Did you even had any news, bro? Because I didn't even check on that. Let me check that for a minute. Bro, we didn't even had any fucking news, bro. Whatever, I don't know what caused market to go up like this, but yeah, it took out the previous day's high right here. This line right here is the previous day's high. So yeah, that was almost like, damn, man. 800 points within one, two, three, four, five, almost like five candles, bro. Within 5 minutes, market move like 800 points, bro. I'm just thinking, if there's anyone who caught this move, bro. If you did, just comment below, bro. You sure have printed some huge yeah, whatever. But um, I didn't want to like target um anything huge today, bro, because market already moved like this, and I know for sure it's not gonna push any higher even around at the time of the market opening, because it's not gonna do shit. 800 points, it's almost like 2 days range within 5 fucking minutes, bro. So I wasn't looking for anything too much, but I was looking for this low right here. But initially, I was looking at this BC right here, especially this BC right here. All right. So what is the context behind this trade? All right. So I'm gonna put on the 9:30 and the 8:30 openings. Where is 8? No, let's put on the 8:45 right here. All right. So 8:45 we open a new 15-minute candle. All right, which we opened right around here. We dropped lower and traded into this inverse fair value gap right here. Perfectly respected the consequent encroachment of that, and we also had this minor buy side that we swept with that move, with that 50-minute candle. You can see this was the closing of that 50-minute candle, and the next 50-minute candle opened, dropped lower, broke this structure with the CB right here, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, and when price traded into that, I went short. I had my stop loss out here, and I took this on my live account. I didn't trade it any funded or evils, bro, because after this huge range, uh, I couldn't trade those, bro. So I traded my personal account and made around 150 bucks, and yeah. So and I want to point out some things for you guys. As you saw me, I put on this CB right here, if I'm right. Yeah, why did I put on this CB right here? To see if price supports that, or supports the context that it's gonna go for these lows right here. All right, if you look to the left, this right here is a failed CB. What do I mean by failed CB? You can say it's a inverse fair value gap, but I'm seeing it as a level where sellers couldn't get in. All right, even if they got in here, they were stopped. All right, so that was the untested level for them. Or the way I see it, if there's any failure, CB or BCI, extend those through time, and you'll see every time we drop below any CB, it respect those while going for some sort of sell side liquidity. All right, in this case, look, price traded upwards. Then when it closed below that, as soon as it did with this candle, the next candle traded up into that, rejected, and went for these lows and this CB. I mean this BC right here. All right. Then again, as I'm expecting price to sweep these lows, what do I want to see? As soon as I entered, I have my stop loss right here. As you see, price was kind of chopping around here because I was expecting that kind of movements, because it already did what it was supposed to do, bro. So I wasn't expecting any nice sell-off or aggressive sell-off, but I was looking at that level and I was expecting to see some nice range candle. You get it, what do I mean by a nice range candle? All right, but we didn't have that except this one right here. Once we close below that, the next candle traded into that CB one more time, and the next one I mean traded down or rejected from that, and you can see we had a CB right here as well, and price traded into that before 9:30 opened and sold towards these lows and this BC. But bro, I was fucking pissed off when I saw that price missed my another partial which was within this around this midpoint of this fair value gap. It missed my I'm still kinda in shock, bro. Like it missed my with the bro, almost like a point, bro, just because of 1 point. However, I did a good thing that I took a partial, but yeah, as soon as we tapped into that, it reacted from it. And I also had one more thing that I drew on my chart, this one. All right, was it this one? No, my mistake, bro. I just forgot, bro. All right, this one, this CB right here. I used this CB to see if price supports the idea that it can go for these lows, but as you saw, it was kind of facing some sort of resistant going below that low. Once I saw that, when this candle tapped into this rejection block, if I put on the quadrant on this candle, you could see once we tap into the into this rejection block, I took off another partial of 5 minutes, and I trailed my stop loss around here, and yeah, I got stopped out right there. And you can see this CB right here also used to push price higher. All right, now this is also kind of an failed CB from me when I was using that to see if price wants to go lower or not. But I'm gonna show you one more thing, you'll be amazed. All right, Papa. So I hope, I'm not gonna say anything, but I hope this video helps you. Try doing these things, try putting those failed levels on your chart, and you will see to a totally different thing. All right, and yeah, I hope you learned something. And this was almost like 121 points, Chad. Yeah, it was exactly 129 points. So it was almost like a 5-hour trade. Yeah, pretty much I'm happy with the execution. And if you see, look at the chart right now, it traded all the way up here above this buy side. I think no, it just falls short of, so it tapped into that rejection block. Yeah, traded up into that rejection block. Now it's kind of retracing back into this dealing range, but whatever. Pretty nice execution today. I didn't expect to, I mean, I expected to fuck, man, I expected it to push a little bit lower, but whatever, man. It's a W, and you know, if it's a W, then we don't regret about any of our decisions. And by the way, Lucid funding is still 50% off. 2 users per individuals. Use code NEXTGEN, and that last offer is still going on. It's probably gonna end today. If you buy 3 pro evals, you'll get 1 free reset. And yeah, make sure to use my code NEXTGEN and check the link in the description. All right. Yeah, I'll catch you guys probably tomorrow. Till then, be safe, and yeah, make sure to sub up and give a thumbs up if you learned anything. I hope you did, bro. I showed you something. Make sure to test that. All right, and I'll catch you guys onto the next one. Be safe, Chad. Be safe.